Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 Microsoft error code. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your update and security. Go to your troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, scroll down and select the Windows Store apps and run the troubleshooter. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the start menu, right click and click on run and type a command is WSRESET and click on OK button. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type internet options. Open internet options, go to your advanced settings, and make sure that use TCL 1.2 is checked. So check the use TCL TLS 1.2. After that, click on apply and OK button. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a PowerShell. Open a Windows PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After opening that, first of all type a first command which is available into the video description. Right click, click on copy and press enter. After doing this, type exit and exit the PowerShell and restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, once again go to your PowerShell. Open a Windows PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After doing this, after restarting your computer, open a PowerShell and after that type a second command which is available into the video description. Copy and paste it and press enter. So after that, type exit and exit the PowerShell and make sure that restart computer must be required for second command. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, go to your any browser and search engine and type a Windows 10 download. So click on Windows 10 download. And first of all, select the first link is Microsoft.com Windows 10 disk image. Scroll down and click on download now. Click on save button and after that go to the downloading file and open it. Click on accept button. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete this process, and after completing that your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.